Mike, you okay? Are you okay? I think I'm good. I got glass in my... Whoa!
Oh my God.
Oh!
How the frick did that happen?
I have no clue.
Eventually, they're like, well, we're gonna do it. And they jump the fence. Oh, damn. No, no, no. No!
Ah! God! Damn it! God damn it. You okay? Holy shit. Hell!
Who are neither human nor colors, something related to both. You call them the Faceless Immortals. Kandra, Wax said. But
To cancel the call, please choose cancel from the screen.
All nation, calibrated for new alt delivery. This is Marco. From Blink 182. Oh, fuck.
Alright.
For some reason, it takes a whole week for them to. Oh shit!
Oh, don't come towards us. Oh, shit.
Idiot. Okay, Garmin. Save video.
Wait, man.
I'm gonna pull it.
Henderson 911, what's the address of the emergency?
Stephanie and Arroyo Grande.
Look, $5, $6.
Oh, shit.
What the? Ah, look at the car, baby. What the?
I gotta help. I gotta go help.
Yeah.
(210), ambulance 213, ladder 195, car 219, motor vehicle collision 5300, 5698, interstate 80 eastbound highway, engine 210, ambulance 213, ladder 195, car 219.
I got, come westbound, we have a Prius involved in the other median.
No. Hallmark! What? Hallmark? No more. Are you on the way back? No, I got in a car accident.
everyone's overhead. Have the lead unit back off a bit.
That's fine. Henry, one is overhead. So we can let them look at where you're talking.
Uh-oh.
I was able to check your text as I pulled into the garage. Look at this move. Holy. Oh no. Oh!
We have a dash cam.
What do you
Good thing the dash cam's
do we
plugged
need to
in.
pull
Pull
over?
over here, maybe.
Pull over here.
Because with impressive towing capability, an available 13.4-inch diagonal touchscreen, and the choice of powerful engines to pick from, there's a Silverado with the capability you need. Click to learn more. Find new roads at your local Chevy dealer.
Text messages. Mommy Dearest acted like it was her right to get the damage repaired anywhere
Oh my god!
damage repaired anywhere
Oh my god!
Swim back with a full clip. They say I'm moving Brooklyn, and my shooters they shooting. I'm sick of they Brooklyn.
Oh my god, oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm
Oh my god, we should get out. Oh my god.